In skincare and hair care products, tomatoes oil works well as a natural ingredient to improve texture, hydration, and overall health. Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make tomatoes oil at home. So we start by washing our fresh tomatoes and dice them. Tomatoes oil is generally light, not greasy, and suitable for most skin type. Tomatoes oil support hair growth. It provides moisture, help with dandruff, and strengthen the hair, making it appear shinier and less prone to breakage. Tomatoes oil is rich in beneficial nutrients like antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acid. This makes it a valuable addition to skincare and hair care. And after dicing the tomatoes, we transfer into a blender and blend smoothly. Tomatoes oil is rich in antioxidants that helps protect the skin against UV damage, pollution, and signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines, thereby promoting youthful appearance. And after blending and it becomes smooth, transfer into a cooking pot and add 1 cup of coconut oil. The presence of vitamin C in tomatoes oil aids in collagen synthesis, which supports the elasticity and firmness of the skin. And after adding coconut oil to the blended tomatoes, we take to the heat and begin to cook. Cook and stir at intervals so that it doesn't get burnt beneath. The vitamin E and C in tomatoes oil provide strong antioxidant properties that help the skin's repair and brightening while protecting against free radicals. So we'll cook until the coconut oil begins to float on top of the tomatoes. Tomatoes oil is high in essential fatty acid, which help keep the skin hydrated, soft, and smooth. These fatty acids are particularly helpful for dry and sensitive skin. And after cooking and the oil is on top of the tomatoes, turn off the heat and transfer into a strainer to strain the oil from the tomatoes. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And after straining the oil from the tomatoes, here we have our tomatoes oil. Next, I'll transfer into a collecting container. Tomatoes oil has natural anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce redness and irritation, making it suitable for sensitive and acne-prone skin. And now that you have learned how to make tomatoes oil at home for skin brightening and also for hair care, please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share with your loved ones. Thanks so much for spending your precious time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.